So we're here. We grew birdhouse gourds and dipper gourds or patchy gourds. This year it's looking kind of rough. We're in our winter. It's like 40, 50 degrees. Everything's wet, but I'm gonna drill holes in these for Christina to clean them out, and she does all the decorating. We all know I'm not the decorator. We're here in the greenhouse because I was complaining it was cold. I'm gonna drill a hole in each of these. Show you a few of them. It's pretty simple. I have 1.5 inch hole saw. So I got the drill truck set on a lower setting. Very simple.
Oh, now we get birdhouse gourds in here.
Birdhouse gourds in the greenhouse. And usually when you drill, you have to clean it out, but these are so thin that I let them stack up a few times. So I've done these earlier.
Just patchy.
So Christina will save all the seeds, I'm sure. Oh, we should have not drilled a hole. Could have made some music.
I think the last thing we need is a maraca.
But yeah, that's how it's done. Now Christina will clean them up because we'll let some of these hang dry, and she'll paint them. But we'll let her do that.
And how many chances will I get to make a video in the snow? Here's the birdhouse gourds we showed you. They are dry. We drilled the holes in them. I went ahead and I got this brush here, and I'm just gonna put this in here to help get out some of the other. I already shook out all the seeds and got out what I could by hand. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is this part is an experiment. I cut some flexible sealer, and we're gonna try that on the inside to make it a little bit more weatherproof. Aaron suggested that I tape up around the edges, but I don't have any tape and I'm cold, so we're just gonna see what happens. So I actually think that did the job just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. Now I also have sandpaper. I have everything in my sweatshirt pocket. And you're going to want to sand off some of this. Alright, this is nice and smooth. I definitely recommend sanding it outside. But now I'm going to go ahead and go inside and show you how I am going to decorate it. Alright, we are back inside where there is no snow and it's warm. We have our gourd. You're going to need scissors, Mod Podge, foam paintbrush. This is just one we had hanging around. And you're going to need some decorative napkins. You're going to want 2-ply. I just picked these up at Dollar Tree because I was searching for some to use as an experiment. So you're going to want to take your napkin and cut out your designs individually, however you want. You're going to want to remove the second ply. Excuse my hands if they look dry. The snow is killing my skin. All right. Next thing is you are going to put a light coat of Mod Podge wherever you want to start. I did get the gloss version just because that's what I like. It's just a craft, so it's not that serious. And you're going to go ahead and put your napkin on. Press it down. If you get some wrinkles, it's okay. It's not a big deal. We're here for fun, not perfection. And then you are going to just put some Mod Podge right over that. Alright, I am going to continue on and do this whole thing, and then we will come back and look at it after it's dry. This is done. All we have left to do is attach a string, and if you want to, you can put a little dowel for the birds to stand on. But that's it. It's complete.
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch Christina make me do more projects.